This is a description of how to create discussion topics in the Desire to Learn template used at Write State. We will first start by going to the Course Admin tab way over here on the right side. We're clicking on that. Opens up all of the various tasks that we can do. I'm going to scroll down a little bit till I get to Communication. And there we find Discussions. So we'll start with that. Click on Discussions. And that opens up a little dialog window that allows us to put in forums and topics. Now the topics have to reside within a forum. So first we need to create a forum. And I've got a couple of here already, but for our purposes, I'll start a new one. We click on the new link and we're going to put in a new forum. So that'll open up another dialog box where we will have a chance to put in a title. The title, you have to have something here. You have to call it something. So we'll call it Neuron Nonsense. And it's possible to put a description in if you want in the HTML editor we have here, and the variety of options to allow or not allow anonymous posts, amongst other things, and when it's going to be visible and when it's going to be open. I'll scroll back up again. And we'll click on the bottom here to save and close that forum. And now just to check to make sure it's there, it says it's saved successfully, but I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of my list here and see, we have Neuron Nonsense is already there. So I'll scroll back up again and go back to that new link button. And this time I'm going to choose a new topic. Now that opens up another dialog box where we're going to define a topic. We first have to decide which forum that's going to be in. It has to have some name, or we can create a new one at this time. I'll put it in Neuron Nonsense, the one we just made. And the topic is nothing about neurons. Again, we have a chance to put in a more narrative description with the HTML editor and provide a variety of options, including whether it's anonymous and when it's available and when it's visible. So we'll scroll back up again to our Neuron Nonsense forum. The title would be Nothing About Neurons, and we'll save and close that dialog window and cruise down to the bottom. Again, and here's our Neuron Nonsense forum, and Nothing About Neurons is the topic that we have down below. So that is how you create a group and discussion topics in Desire to Learn.